So this is our app,
Yeah, it's called Key Cards.
um, and the starting page shows us all the employees. Yeah, let's tell what it is first. It's a yeah, key card software for system for
Administrators of the Key
yeah.
Card.
So for a company, so everyone that works there gets their key card and gets a title and everything like that. So what we see here is a triple inner join that joins because the structure is we got employees with names, card ID. The card is the key card, and the role ID, and the roles are with
Different roles in the company.
yeah, like IT, and they have a department code. The departments have a location and a name, and the locations got a location name. And last but not least, we got doors, and they are specified with location and a name of the department. So that's the way we connect them. And this inner join gives the person a real title and a location, which is from the department, and then they got a card ID, and we can inactivate and deactivate the card.
Yeah, that's a query that updates the database with either 1 or 0, true or false, whether the card is active or inactive.
And here, show access simply gets the rooms from the user, I guess.
Yeah, the specific employee.
Yeah. Goes to their department and shows every door for sales in this case.
Yeah, and we can show like the IT. You see that there are different doors for that guy. Yeah, he works in the basement.
Of course.
Of course, in the
IT
basement.
guys always works in the basement. Otherwise, it's not a real IT guy. And we can change name of David here. And now we do a new query with this is just the user data at first, and then we use this drop down menu. We do another query just for getting all the names, and we sort them by because the title here is a role ID, so we get all the ID. So if we change this one, it changes the ID from the query, and you can change everything. S in the end, David Sturesson's edit, and we will get David Sturesson.
Yeah, and we can also change department. Maybe we should show that we can change to like storeman.
Yeah.
Edit, and then we can see that he has changed department, and we can also click show access to show that doors are changed, but we got no doors in the warehouse.
Exactly. So, but if we change it to you were sales manager at first. Yeah. If we change it to IT and show access, he has access to the basement, and if we do it again back to sales manager, the access is sales. So it's dependent on what role you have from what department.
Yeah, and on the top here you can see the number of employees and the number of active cards. And this is also updated in real time. So when we click activate to deactivate, you can see that the numbers change from active cards. And that's a query to the database to change the key card dependent on which employee we are changing. So the ID of the employee decides which card is deactivated.
And I don't know if you said it, but the active cards, it's a count where everyone that is more than 0 is counted, like true.
Yeah, it only counts active cards up there.
Yeah.
It doesn't count the inactive cards, of course.
So it's yeah.
Yeah, and the employee is just a count on the employee table, so it's nothing fancy there.
So this page is under construction, and here we do we get all the rooms, and then we use data. This data is located in the entity set of the rooms. Yeah, everything here is from the room entity set, so nothing really fancy about this one. And you actually can't use anything right now because they're just dead links. We didn't have time to implement it. But this data still it gets this data gets we get from, I believe, departments. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
department
we get all the departments and list them out so that one can change to the new departments. If you like create a new department, then you create doors. All the departments should be there.
Yeah.
So that one is from there, and but that's about it.
Yeah, the home button. So every time we're on this landing page, we do that inner join query and get this nice table here.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it, I believe.
Do we need to like show the source code? You think maybe?
Yeah, we can show some queries in code.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, that one is probably the most fun one. It's the triple inner join.
Yeah, the landing page.
So it picks out everything that we need for
that table.
Yeah, exactly. And pick out the correct roles and everything. And then we have another fun one, I think. But let's see, this one. Yeah, this is the one that counts the employees
and the active cards.
Yeah, you get the both of them. So you use you get them as in the same table, right?
Yeah, so, yeah, it's the same table, the top table on the page.
Well, and then where to buy? Yeah, that's not a fun one.
This one is pretty interesting too.
Yeah, so we select everything from doors where the department is the same as the name
of
from
the
departments
of the employee. Like,
yeah.
So this is when you click show access for one employee, which doors you got access to.
Yeah.
So this is how we get the data from the database on that.
And let's show the just one of the updates as well. So
yeah, this is the update key card, like deactivate or activate key card.
Yeah.
Right. Dependent on which state it's in, it switches states.
Yeah. And but this one isn't really finished yet because we can update the employee. Yeah. It's the doors we can't update. So yeah, same thing there. It's the exact same query with just a couple more entities in them. Is it about it?
That's about it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.